Oh my God. I don't look at her. Why I look like y'all?
You hear me? That's true. Too much.
Hold on there. Hold on.
When you're doing this, you have to take time too much.
Hold it.
Well, I got. Don't ban him with dudes speaking here. The Jamaican.
The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
The leverage, yeah. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. I don't know, so today a long time we not do this now. We have competition food challenge wings. We have 80 plus. You hear what I say? 80 plus. So today we're going to do a 3-man versus 80 wings challenge.
Right, yeah. 80
So
plus.
you don't know, so we have Clay and we have
Dominic.
you see me?
And Leverage Boss himself.
Yeah, don't know. So
belly them hungry, hand them wash. Wing them ready, you see me?
yeah, so actually we have the fry and air fry wings, so you see me? So them say they like it, so we are just work with it, you know. And we have some water to wash it down. So alright. Thank God. The food.
Ready on.
Yeah man, so I wanna say what the challenge?
Basically, who can eat the most wings are going to win. Yeah, that's
Basically, so we see how much we can eat. So 3-man versus 80 plus wing. You see me? So alright, so let's
Without further ado, let's start.
yeah man.
You see me? So get that. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. Hold on, got time into it now.
Time. Ain't time.
Hold on, man.
What kind of timing? Right now, Leverage Nation, right now. We don't know
When
how
this
much.
start, when this countdown, when this go off, we're gonna start.
Yo, hold on, let me show them again.
I think we should have put an next camera too. Just in case this stop or something.
Alright. Yeah man, so
Ready? Alright, I guess yeah.
Is it ready?
you want to try to go pro?
I'm ready.
Alright. Let's go.
Yeah, man, ready, man.
Alright.
Now you're short.
You want soft?
Short, bro.
Soft?
Try to how it pops on.
Oh, that one, the black pepper get up on. Yeah, man. 80 plus flats. BA flats, you see me?
Who think they might win this?
Yeah, man.
It's being on serious for a win. Who feel like they can win?
Well, if I go and consume and see where I'm going, I feel like I can win still. I feel like I can win.
Fine.
Bigs are going like him shy, man.
If I never eat earlier, I feel like I have a better chance, but I'm still not count myself out.
Remember, say, 2 bone count as one,
So I keep them together.
I better make a skeleton.
Number 5 this one.
Not going nothing.
I haven't got it either.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, number 7.
I'll be a small wing I eat, man.
If come blame now, make cookies in the pan of small one.
Air fryer ones, you know. Can't taste the difference. The air fryer one, them, they could be more salty.
And then dry as well.
Yeah.
But they're not dry enough where you can't eat it.
What go?
I always give man them do it on video now. I never know. You know, say so easy if you bust, you know.
I bust now call bus already.
I'm not sure. Really.
I must joke, yeah, make.
Just say never realize how quick food take up really.
Oh, it look like you're slow down already.
Me, I need to eat now. Where's that one?
But I never eat fast before you hungry ketchup on here, brother.
Before I'm getting the pie.
That's where my nose say I'm hungry.
Before your mind knows you're hungry.
Are your belly full?
But if your mind knows your belly full, isn't it? You have to just trick your brain. Brother, I'm not quick like me, dog. Cause I'm boss first. Yo, I do one man.
That is it, man.
I do one man I eat, brother.
Crunch bro now. For the do it one time for the people them. Roll off crunch bone.
They're crunch bone black.
Or some people are saying, but they not eat them, man. That's all them bone if you are crunch. Yo, let's say. Well on. I watch video. We have video for
Camera.
4K.
Good one.
4K what?
Nothing you said while it's on.
God, if it. I don't know.
But we can make up them quick, man.
I think so.
Let me speed.
And heat the
Let
towel.
me buy speed. Look a bit low.
Yes,
No, I can't. Okay. That beer meat me a sip on the bone.
bro. Let me buy that store. Let me buy like onion, brother. Brother.
Yeah,
Yeah, alone, brother. What's up? You can't kill us, man, dog.
Oh my God.
6 minutes in.
I don't look at her. Boy, I look like y'all.
Now what, man? Yeah, that was the kind of pregnant when you put the Kevin, man.
You was about that boy.
Don't go.
That's all food already, brother. Dangerous game to have tomorrow belly I paid me. But for the dedication, leave a like. You know me? That's true. Too much.
Hold on there. Hold on.
Dude.
Hold on now. Hold on. Stop. Hold on now. Stop the camera and start it over.
Run it.
Alright.
How much me gone? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26,
Them-
28.
Them say accounting man is a fool man, yeah.
28 how much? 2 into 1. 2 into 2 goes 1. 2 into 8, 4, 14 like that.
Whether I do maths hard here. Let's divide it by 2 now, man.
That's what I did. The long way.
When I don't have to take time to much.
Ole.
Well, I got it. Don't ban him, don't speak it here. The Jamaican. The Jamaican word.
No man, but it's a look scanty.
I tell you, brother, they're ringing them from London. I'm big for nothing, not for nothing, stopping, you know. You know? But the man play the hip hop. Like I 3 when we just start. Man play the hip hop with board. Kind of swollen, you know.
Oh, yo? Oh, yo?
That's it's not wobbling into them.
Yeah,
Enjoy.
You have to do
Yo, see man told me, enjoy it, eat
Enjoy food, you know.
Man jiggly, happy. Yeah, after school hungry. School man. Look on the idea, see man told him, man. I enjoy boy. Every time in my life. That video will be my favorite.
Favorite with that ball. So down. Since you've been on leverageboss TV, what's your favorite?
video?
What's your favorite video have you done?
Eating wings
You
with
know
the
that
guys.
fishing video. Yeah, but
Anyone have fishing?
Better? Nah, lie.
No, I'm pleased favorite the hill one.
Nah, lie. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 wings left, you know? Now you say we chopped down what, 60 already?
Huh?
more that
60, 84 in total.
I know, come right.
84 minus 24 how much?
So,
84 minus 24 how much? 60. So my count there now. Yeah, so.
I'm not going.
But still,
Now I'm slow.
majority gone, man. No, I'm move slow. Because me I lose down. Cheek them stuff like chipmunk and I can't go nowhere. The news I go 2 more vomit.
I never eat before you do it.
You see me? Shouldn't eat better.
for get up on that one, but guess what?
For
I'm fed up better. Chicken and butter. I can't wings. I can't win.
A raccoon.
I was. I'm cool I got eat a cat leg there or something. I said 4.
4.
When I eat, can get fed up. You know, but no for.
Mm-hmm.
No man, you know, I treat them stuff like chipmunk. Can't go too more.
I mean that.
I do that.
Mm-hmm. Me like too worry. You know something I do a bit.
Or just
No, a little bit better.
I just want to give up already, yeah. Ah. Calm.
But I'm not try better with my counselor. I try. We try to move
Whatever, man.
fully broke down, boy.
I tell you, say, I'm the last one, this is not. I'm the million, say, I'm going to say, yeah. But that's not true, on the count. I can still eat more than I.
I'm saying, drink water down. Because I know they're not going to bring it down.
But you think you're not good. I must get do that one to her. Nah, baby.
Yo. You can't, but need napkin or something better. I can't, but that's better.
With that money, yeah.
When him left off, I walk out straight to bed.
Here's the money.
Yo. Leverage nation. Leverage nation. I hate that. I don't know how damn look like he eat all eat, you know. My one or so. Show them here one damn
My
one.
own so.
Yeah, show them here one now.
I'm there.
So,
I only if I don't eat it on plate and I'll be a meat on plate.
who eat the
I
most?
can't to watch it.
Come on to the wings, man. Come on to the wings.
One.
No, man. No, on the head, man. I thought doesn't count that out good.
I just don't speak it the side of me. I struggle.
22, you know.
Yeah. You make sure still a go. Right now, feel like you need about 50 or 60.
26.
That's the thing when I'm brother. Light.
17.
Light, brother.
17, 22, and 26.
You tell me so Dominic is the winner. Like you could have brushed a couple. You can't think you don't know what I finish every time, man. So why man tell me say a flats? I mean, no one else ever see one leg in it, you know. But my love, you know, I pass on my leg, so my boy pace, and I love him, you know.
Why would I want like they come from?
Oh,
I will count again.
Come like my wings flat. Because it's on like a 19 now.
no, maybe judge, man, come. Maybe judge,
You
come.
play that on the boat.
I play them, I'm a brother, them, you know. I'm not playing a bone. Because you want to mind them and flick them 1-1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
It's about itself, you know.
That's why I said to
18,
19. Is that like
19,
no, 2 you put while ago.
20,
21 that. 23. 23 be.
So I come from 21 to 23,
No, no.
22 we get, bro.
Bro, yeah, count this as 2 and this a leg. Look on it.
I
Dominic.
like this one.
Yeah, look on it, brother. And look on this side. The
That's
count
a
is 2. A leg
That's a
everywhere, you know what
That's
I'm
a
saying? You blind?
You remember that one now.
So if we am Lego, I don't make note how much Lego now. The man is flats.
Flats me have.
Almost the flats them there still, but them one they get to in the wings them.
You but to see who the big back one is.
No, it's not, and because of that.
I tell them,
Because I'm gonna eat,
you
man.
could name 2 more.
Yeah, man.
You could name 2 more. And I man eat one double platter food today with orange chicken and bourbon chicken and a whole plate of white rice from a Chinese place.
Yeah, it's about that. You never eat it better looking at the fridge.
Alright, Leverage Nation, hope that was entertaining for you. We shelled down 3 men versus 80 plus wings. So remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. You know the leverage.
And I want to find out about, yeah, leave a like for that one because you don't know, put in the work. Effort was put into making this video and eating these wings. So yeah, if you want to enjoy yourself, crack a laugh here or there, leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. You know what the thing go. Leverage.
That is it.
So big sucker, you not say nothing? Alright, I love that one day.